Create your people card on Google Search. You can create your presence on Google Search by creating a people card. You need to submit a people card with your relevant info. People will then be able to search for you and discover your card on Google search results. What you need: a mobile browser or the Google search app, a personal Google account, web and app activity turned on. Important: this feature is available in India, Kenya, Nigeria, and South Africa for users that have their set language to English or Hindi. Create your people card. Important: Google doesn't guarantee that your card will show up on Google search. The more info you provide in your card, the more likely it will show up in Google search results. Go to google.com or open the Google search app. Search for yourself. You can also search for Add Me to Google or Edit My People card. At the top of search results, you'll find the option to add yourself to Google search. Tap Get Started. Fill out the information that you want to share publicly on your card. These fields are required. Summary. Profession. At the bottom, tap Preview. If you're satisfied with your card, tap Submit. Tip: it can take up to a few hours for your card to show up in Google search results. If you share a name with someone famous, you might need to add a distinguishable term to your profile. This term will help other people in their search query. For example, Amir Khan food blogger or Amir Khan tutor. Find your social media profile URL. Important: some platforms might not show your profile in URL format. Based on the social media platform, you might find different options. On your phone, open a social media app. Tap your profile picture. It might be called your profile or username. You might have to tap Edit or Edit Profile. Your URL may be formatted in one of these options: www.example.com/your_name. Username, your_name. At your_name. Add your_name without the @ username or example.com to your people card on search. Guidelines for your people card. Help people find and distinguish you from others when they search for your name on Google. Only include information about yourself. If you submit content that isn't about who you are and what you do, Google may remove your people card. For more info about possible violations, check the user content policy. Generate your people card with suggestions for fields such as hometown or profession. If none of the suggestions fit, you can add your own free text. Keep your information up to date. Google may stop showing your card if it hasn't been updated or verified in a long time. If we identify content that potentially violates our terms and conditions, we will ask you to change it. There will be a message on your card with steps on how to change the content or appeal the decision. Repeated attempts at abuse may limit or cancel your access to this service. Content guidelines for your people card. The content on your people card should be a true representation of who you are and what you do. You should use the name which others would enter when they search for you. Your profile picture should be a recognizable image of yourself. Do not pretend or in any way attempt to confuse or mislead. Your card should not make others believe that you are someone else or represent an organization you do not represent. Should not contain solicitation or other forms of advertisement. Avoid subjective terms like best, only, and cheapest. Must not include negative, derogatory, or comparative statements about other individuals, groups, events, or issues. This includes employers and other organizations to which you belong, ed. They should not be described beyond your affiliation. Must not in any way promote, incite, or support hate, violence, or unlawful behavior. It should not contain profane, vulgar, or otherwise inappropriate language. It should not incite or support unlawful behavior. Must respect the rights of others, including intellectual property and privacy rights. In particular, do not upload images or text that you do not have the right to use. We rely on the help of other users and algorithmic signals to identify potentially false or otherwise inappropriate content. At any time, we may permanently or temporarily disable your card, subject to review.